Our top one finisher for the 1 kilometer kids category.
Good morning, Miss Guzay. Kasi naman po yung stripes round this year.
Congratulations, man! Galing 3 minutes, 35 seconds.
Wow, the flash that you unfinished. Grabe yun. Grabe yung mga bata.
We had a milestone this morning kasi Luna decided na siya yung magpasa ng isang event. So,
raise up your medals to your round of applause, please, to our working kids, males and
for sure, pag-uwi namin sa bahay may postmortem sa kanya. Kasi, ngayon ko lang din nalaman na ang pangarap pala niya sa buhay ay maging voice talent. So, she wants to be a voice over talent. Hindi ko na sinasabi sa'yo na. So, that's why we convinced her na sige, pag ikaw ang magpasa this year. So, she was so excited coming here.
We have a lot of our runners all over the course.
Ginawa niya today, talagang
medyo Davao, Liba, Batangas, so forth. A lot of veterans as well. Now moving on to our second place, number 556.
Mr. Dennis since nandito tayo ngayon sa McDo Stripes, what is your fondest memory as a family in McDonald's?
Birthday is a celebration.
Every time required every day. Pag nasa kotse kami, tapos kasama yung kids, hindi pwedeng hindi mag-drive-thru. Kahit na mas malayo yung drive-thru doon sa pupuntahan natin. Mag-drive-thru muna kami bago doon sa pupuntahan natin. That's a continuing thing.
Sagrado yung part na yun. Wherever we go, especially sa bahay natin. Wow! Mandatory yan.
Drive-thru.
Kaysa kakakain lang namin ng lunch o dinner, kailangan may drive-thru kami sa McDo.
Speaking of that, do you set any limitations po sa diet ng mga kids nyo, and how do you maintain a healthy lifestyle?
Congratulations to our kids for the working category. Move on now, of course, to our 3Ks.
It's balanced, but of course we also give them what they want. Kasi para happy.
What is, of course, the award you like on stage? This is an Ordea. That's the award.
With what we do. So, one thing, definitely, activity. So, kaya yung mga stripes run, even just going outdoors and just walking the dog, ini-encourage namin yung mga bata. Now, yung sa pagkain naman, when they've had a full day, syempre the reward always comes. Or, let's say, mapapasabak yung mga anak namin sa laban, may encouragement ka. So, mabalansin, you know there'll be hardship, pero may reward. Or, alam mo may sacrifices, pero kang pabuya sa isa. So, lahat balansin lang dapat.
McDonald's is the one thing that running things with fur babies this year. Kanya na nabanggit nyo, sana dinala nyo din yung mga fur babies.
Yeah. Ang ano sinabi, yung puppy namin, medyo malikot pa eh. So next year, pagka medyo pagkalmado na siya, better socialized na siya. Kasi that's what I admire about the pets here. You know, an active family with an active pet is one of the best hangouts you can go on any given day.
Hi, I'm Laura from Inquiry.net. One of the categories in this McDo Stripes brand is the Stripes family category. From one family to another, how do you think McDo Stripes run helps in strengthening the bond of the family?
Malakas kasi kami, we were talking about it about 5 minutes ago. The evidence is quite clear. You see how the kids were during the meeting. They're very attentive. They're away from screens, and they're very attentive to live interaction. You can actually speak with them. So I think just that shows a testament that an active family really is a family that you can mold. You can mold because you have the attention of the kids. Their energies have been directed to something very constructive, like writing. Ito nga storytelling. Napaka-wholesome niya. Napaka-gandang ehemplo sa lahat.
Communication skills kasi ng mga bata and the parents also. Yung alam mo yung buong atensyon ng anak mo kasi wala sila sa mga gadgets nila. They're outdoors, everyone encourage our kids to be more outdoors. Gusto natin ang vitamin D, we want our nutrients with them. And I think, yun yung gusto na talaga natin i-promote yung let's spend more time with our kids, spend more time sa family because pag lumaki na sila, at some point, they wouldn't want to spend more time with us, but with their friends, like their work. So, ito yung memories that they will cherish and they will continue to do it with their future families.
Saka walang mas masarap dun sa mag-expend ka ng tanggalin mo yung clip mo, tanggalin mo yung likod mo, tapos after nun, mag-body page book, diba? You can't beat that combo.
Your thoughts on beneficiary nitong brand na to, bakit it will take care of behavior. Anong masasabi mo about it? Anong importance of education?
Well, I think, isa yun sa mga pinakamagaganda talagang projects ng McDonald's, especially this Stripes for Brand. We want to encourage kids as early as, I think, ayun nga, may mga daycare na wala pang 1-year-old, pwede na mag-spend ng time with the daycare center for the simple reason na at least maaga pa lang na-mold na yung minds nila, yung mga motor skills nila, hindi sila, kasi may mga iba na para makagawa ka na gawain bahay, sige, bigyan mo ng screen, bigyan mo ng isa mo ng TV, but it's simply different when it's very active, the mind is working, the hands are working, so we love it na pabantayan ng benefit sa Stripes for Brand.
Saka yun, yung socialization, ito yung mga nawala na opportunity when we got locked down. So now that the kids actually